Always got your back, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very popular English expression, always got your back. This phrase is not just about physical proximity but carries a deeper meaning of support and loyalty. Let's explore how you can use it in everyday conversations and what it truly means to have someone's back. When someone says they've always got your back, they're telling you that they are always there to support you, no matter what. It means they are ready to help, protect, and stand by you through thick and thin. The phrase conveys a sense of reliability and assurance that you're not alone in whatever you face. While the exact origins of "always got your back" are hard to pinpoint, it's rooted in the idea of watching out for someone in vulnerable situations. In battle or dangerous scenarios, having someone cover your back meant they were protecting you from unseen threats. In modern times, it translates to emotional, moral, or even physical support in life's battles. 1. Assuring support. Use it to reassure friends or loved ones that you're there for them. Example, don't worry about the presentation. I've always got your back. 2. Expressing gratitude. When someone has supported you, acknowledge it with, thanks for being there for me. You've always got my back. 3. Solidifying bonds. It's a great phrase to strengthen relationships, showing deep trust and camaraderie. Always got your back is more than just words. It's a powerful promise of support, loyalty, and trust. Whether you're offering a shoulder to lean on or acknowledging the steadfast support of others, this phrase beautifully captures the essence of deep human connections. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use "always got your back" in your daily interactions. Stay supportive, and remember, we're here to help you navigate the fascinating world of English expressions.